Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make calculator app using GDevelop software. If you do not have a GDevelop software, then go on GDevelop website and click here to download this software. I have already downloaded this GDevelop software. Let's see how can you make calculator app. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Here is my GDevelop software. I'm going to open it. Now click on create a project button. Type here project name. Now select here resolution, mobile portrait. Click on create a project button. I'm going to change its color. Right click here, click on open scene properties. Now click here, select any of this color. Click on OK button. Now click on this icon, click on properties button. Here you can type game description. Scroll down below. Type here packaging name. This is most important. If you will publish your app on App Store, then that App Store will ask you about your packaging name. I'm going to type here packaging name. Now scroll down below. Click here to change its resolution. Select no changes to the game size. OK, at last click on apply button. Now click here to add scene. It will be scene 2. Now click here to add extensions. Type here URL. Click here. Now click on install in project. Click on close button. Now I'm going to add here clickable button. Click on add a new object. Click on text button. Type here object name. Start. Type here start. Change its size 100. Change its color white. Now click on apply button. Drag this start button here. Now I'm going to add code for this button. Go on events. Delete this event. Right click here and click on delete button. Add a new event. Add condition. Select start button. Now scroll down below. Click on the cursor / touch is on the object. Click on OK button. Add action. Select start button. Now select color. Change its color. Click on OK button. Now copy this event. Right click here. Click on copy button. Add a new event. And paste here that event. Right click here. Click on paste button. Right click here. And click on invert condition button. Change its color. Double click here. Click here to change color. White. Now click on OK button. Add condition, other conditions. Scroll down below and click on mouse and touch. Select mouse button pressed or touch held. Select here left. Click on OK button. Now add action, other actions. Select scene. Change the scene. Here scene will be 2. Click on OK button. Now drag this event here. When I will click on a start button, then scene will be changed. Now click here. Go on scene 2. Right click here. Click on open scene properties. Click here. Now select any of this color. Click on OK button. Go on events. Add a new event. Add condition. Type here at the beginning of the scene. Select at the beginning of the scene. Click on OK button. Add action, other actions. Scroll down below. Now select web page URL tools. Select redirect to the another page. Now I'm going to add here URL. Guys, here you can see I have written HTML code for calculator app. You can also use all this code for your calculator app. I will give you this code in this video description box below. You can copy this code from my website and you can save it in your notepad. Once you will save this code in your notepad, click on file button. Now click on save as button. Type your calculator code .html. This is most important. You will have to type your HTML. Now click on save button. Here is calculator app file. Double click here. Here you can see this is my calculator app. Let me check this calculator app. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 into 9 equal to 36. Click here to erase all this element. As you can see here, my calculator app is working well. Now the next step that I will have to do, I will have to save this file in game location area. Go on GDevelop software, click on this 3 line, click on file. Now click on save as button. Select your computer. Now select here your game location. Calculator. Now click here to save this file. Now copy this file, right click here, click on copy button. Now go in your calculator location area. Here is my calculator file. Right click here and click on paste button. Now double click here. Copy this URL, right click here and click on copy button. Go on GDevelop software. Click on action button. Click on other actions button. Now scroll down below. Click on web page URL tools. Select redirect to another page. Paste here that calculator URL. Watch this full video carefully all the way until the end. Click on OK button. Now my calculator app is ready. Click on preview button. This calculator app is offline. When I will click on a start button, then calculator will be open. As you can see here, let me check this calculator. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. As you can see here, this calculator is working well. Let me show you how can you export this calculator app in APK file. Click on publish button. Now click on export to another platform. Select mobile device. Click on packaging for Android button. It will take some time to export this calculator app in APK file. So friends, once you will export this calculator app, you can publish this app on all app stores. Like you can publish this app on Amazon App Store, AppToad, App Center and many more. If you want to earn money using this calculator app, then you will have to create AdMob account to show ads on your app. You can go on events, click on add condition, type here AdMob. Here you can see you can show banner ads, you can show interstitial ad, you can show video ads. I have already made full tutorial about how to create AdMob account. You can get that video link in this video description box below. I hope you found this video at all helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.